and you might not be walking away with that title tonight.
That's true. You are always on the defensive when you are the Extreme Champion. And let's see how that affects Jayson tonight. Face the big shot, Benja. And there's the bell. The match has officially begun, and Jayson running at Benja. Oh, big forearm, and another one, and Benja just shoving Jayson back, but nope, Jayson connecting with that toe kick and striking Benja, knocking him back a little bit. Oh, Benja coming in with a hard clothesline, but missing as Jayson ducks underneath. Oh, but Jayson connecting with that beautiful dropkick, sending the big shot down. Jayson lifting Benja up, send him to the corner, following him in. Oh, just connecting with those hard gut punches, making the big shot kneel over. What's Jayson doing? Coming in, and oh, yeah, that gave Benja a little bit too much time.
Now that's something to see.
Standing side slam. Oh, but Jayson is back to his feet, and oh, but now getting a big boot for his trouble. And here's a pin. One. Just a 1 count.
You know, I'll give Jayson credit. He's being brave. He's trying to go face to face with a giant. But he's learning. That's not how you fight a giant. You go fist to fist with them and they'll strike you down with God's might.
Well, Jayson is keeping Benja on the defense. And oh, connecting a beautiful bicycle kick. Jayson is really bringing a fight to Benja this evening. You got, like you said, you got to give him credit. He is staying on top of the big shot. Oh, Jayson going to the outside now. What is he going to do? Yeah, I think he's actually going. He's looking underneath the ring apron. If anything goes in this type of matchup. What's he gonna find? And he looks like he's picked up a chair. Sliding back into the ring, holding that chair. Benja getting up slowly. I don't think he notices. Turning around. And oh, but Benja connecting with that hard lariat. Just sending Jayson down, knocking his head almost clean off his shoulders. The chair definitely flew from his hands. Uh oh, but Benja now picking up the chair.
Now that's the real danger. It's bad enough when no normal sized person's got a chair. But 7'2" giant, he might as well kill someone with that.
Jayson's gonna regret bringing that chair into this matchup. Benja seems to think what to do. He is... Oh, he's grabbing Jayson by the leg and just dragging him towards that corner. Oh, and a nice stomp to Jayson's chest for good measure. What is he planning to do here? He's still holding that chair. Wait, what's he doing? He's aiming. He's pulling Jayson's leg to the post. This is not going to be good. No, he's setting up. And oh! Benja connecting with that chair shot against Jayson's leg, which slammed between the ring post and the metal chair. Well, of course, bone against metal. That's not good.
That's almost 300 pounds of force right against his kneecap.
The referee asking Jayson if he can continue, with Benja going for a pin. 1, 2. No, just a 2 count. Benja might have broken Jayson's leg with that chair shot. Oh, and just lifting Jayson up, and oh, a beautiful shin buster on that already damaged leg. And he's going for the figure 4, putting the pressure on. He's in the middle of the ring. Jayson has nowhere to go.
One thing some people don't think about, when a bigger man puts somebody in something like a figure 4, they have to bend their legs just that much farther to fit around those big legs. It bends them at angles that are not pretty and a lot worse off than someone your normal size would have done.
Well, you're absolutely right there. But now Jayson trying to struggle, just clawing, trying to drag himself and Benja's entire weight across the ring, looking to try to get to those ropes. Somehow he looks like he's doing it. Jayson's close now. I think just another bit to go. And yes, Jayson grabbing the ropes, somehow made his way all the way across the ring to grab those ropes. Has to break the count. Does Benja by the 5 count, and the ref's up to 4.
She can count all she wants. Did you really forget, Christos?
Well, Jayson should have. If he crawled that far, he should have just crawled, continued under the ropes, and fell out the ring.
This is your wake-up call. You suck.
Oh. Megan should have known. I mean, it's her job to know the rules.
Jayson connecting with that spine buster somehow. Even with that damaged leg, he was able to lift Benja up and drop him down.
That one too smart. He dropped right down afterwards. I think he did damage to his leg, and that's not what he needed.
They went for another pinfall. It was only a 2 count. Benja kicking out. I don't think Jayson actually could have stayed on top of Benja, holding him and giving him leverage because his leg.
Of course. He was the one pinning Benja, yet Benja got up before him. He risked too much trying to pick up a guy almost 300 pounds and spine buster him. That leg has got to be on strings now.
It sure is, but he's up somehow a bit. What's Benja got in his hand? Oh, he tried. He has powder. What the hell is... Where the hell did the powder come from? Benja had the powder in his hands. It got kicked back right into his own face, and Jayson connecting with that DDT. There's a win. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, your winner and still Extreme Champion, Jayson Rain. You have to give him some credit. He was able to take advantage. Benja took the powder out of his boot, but got the powder kicked right back into his own eyes, blinding him. Jayson took the advantage with that DDT and pinned him 1, 2, and 3. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Jayson is still your VWE Extreme Champion. There's Megan raising Jayson's hand up. Oh! Oh, but Benja low blowing Jayson and connecting with that orange crush. Wait a minute, he's pinning 1, 2, 3.
Jayson forgot. This is 24/7 rules. That even means right after a match. So you're a winner and new Extreme Champion, Benja, Nirvana.
I am still so confused. 1 minute Jayson is standing there getting his arm raised. The next minute he isn't the champion anymore. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Good job, Benja. I knew you could do it.
Austin, sit your ass down before you hurt yourself.
You know, nah. Come on, Benja. We need to throw a party.
Throw a party?
Just
Aren't you
give
on
me a good
antibiotics?
move.
Aren't you on painkillers? You're gonna get yourself sick.
You only live once. Let's go.
Oh. Drake, why didn't you throw the ladder on him? Jayson is arguing with the referee.